If you're looking for the best ball joint separator tools, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Orion Motor Tech 5-in-1 Ball Joint Separator Removal Tool Kit. What we liked most about this product. This 5-in-1 Ball Joint Separator Removal Tool Kit is a wonderful tool set for separating your car's ball joints. Orion Motor Tech is a reliable brand and offers some of the most affordable tools. What I liked most about the Orion Motor Tech 5-in-1 Ball Joint Separator is the ease of use and handling. Product overview. The Orion Motor Tech 5-in-1 Ball Joint Separator is well made for its job. However, it is more suited for compact cars, mid-size cars, and light pickup trucks. Therefore, if you want to work on full-size cars or full-size pickup trucks, this is not the tool set for you. The tool set features a ball joint separator, conical pitman arm puller, tie rod and ball joint remover, pitman arm puller, pitman arm, and tie rod end puller. All of these tools come in a durable ABS carrying case. This makes carrying the tools from one worksite to another simple and safe. Unlike most ball joint separator tools, the Orion Motor Tech 5-in-1 Ball Joint Separator Tool works with domestic and imported vehicles. Regardless, you should get in touch with the manufacturer and find out if the tool is compatible with your car make, model, and year. You will also like that the tools are made of heat-treated alloy steel, which is durable and long-lasting. Overall, this is an ideal ball joint separator if you deal with small and light vehicles. The sturdy carrying case makes carrying the tools convenient, and it is easy to clean. With 5 different tools, you will be able to separate ball joints and perform other car repair works on your suspension and steering system. Number 2. Powerbuilt 6486266PC Front End Service Set Kit 3. What we liked most about this product. Powerbuilt 6486266-piece Front End Service Set Kit 3 is another top ball joint separator tool set. Unlike the previous set, this one comes with 6 tools. This means that you can do even more versatile repairs with this set. These help you to remove both the upper and lower ball joints without any problem. Besides, the tool is very reliable despite its slightly higher price. Also, the manufacturer offers a decent warranty. Product overview. A complete repair kit helps you to disassemble all the tire or suspension systems and see where the problem is. That's what you get when you purchase the Powerbuilt 6486266 pieces front end service set kit. The pieces that are included in this package apart from the ball joint separator are the pitman arm puller, tie rod end lifter, tie rod end pullers, and ball joint remover. Unlike the previous tool, this one is more durable and can serve a wider range of vehicles. If you've been struggling to keep your vehicle suspension tools, you've got nothing to worry about. This tool set comes with a well-built carrying case for easy storage and transfer of the tools from one place to another. Additionally, an instruction sheet with images is included in the carrying case for ease of use. As a result, it is a perfect tool for both novices and professional mechanics. All in all, this ball joint separator tool is excellent in performance and can be utilized on different vehicle makes and models. Follow the instruction sheets with photos to separate ball joints and conduct other repairs. Number 3. OTC 6295 Front End Service Set for Pitman Arms, Ball Joints, and Tie Rods. What we liked most about this product. If you want a ball joint separator that you can use on small and large vehicles, this is an ideal tool for you. What we liked most about the OTC 6295 Front End Service Set is the broad range of tools that it offers. The tool set has 2 pitman arm pullers for small and large ball joint applications, 2 ball joint separators for small and large vehicles, and 3 different tie rod pullers. In short, it is a versatile tool kit. Product overview. The OTC is one of the most popular ball joint separator tool brands on the market. This particular tool set is ruggedly constructed for longevity. It has 5 pieces, which allow the user to make different car repairs. As stated above, some pieces come in 2 different sizes for working on both small and large vehicles. You won't have trouble utilizing this tool set as it is simple and straightforward. What's more, all the tools come in a durable case for ease of storage and transportation to your work area. The greatest benefit of this sleek carrying case is that it keeps the tools well organized for easy retrieval. With this tool set, you will be able to separate ball joints or remove tie rod ends on your Ford, Chevy, or Dodge car without any problem. However, it is not very durable, and thus you should not apply excess pressure. Also, it is slightly expensive than the other ball joint separator tools on this list. But when it comes to performance and ease of use, you will love this ball joint separator. It can be utilized by DIY enthusiasts, car repair shops, or even startup mechanics. Number 4. Intools 27308 Ball Joint Separator. The Intools 27308 Ball Joint Separator works quickly and efficiently, making the task of removal effortless indeed. For those of you who are do-it-yourselfers and tend to your own vehicle suspension, you'll find that the Intools 27308 Ball Joint Separator is durable, made from steel with black oxide pins, and designed to give you years of service. This affordable tool will adjust to fit different ball joints with a maximum opening range of 1 1/8 to 2 1/8 inches, with a fork opening of 7/8 inches. The tool arrives to you in its own, tough blow mold case. Product features: manufactured from high-quality steel. Black oxide pins help prevent corrosion. Tough, durable blow mold case. Number 5. Powerbuilt 23-piece ball joint and U-joint service set. Harm ball / crank pulley P. Tool solutions for most all situations. Built to exceed tool standards. Designed to help you remove and install press-fit tight ball joints without taking the control arm off the vehicle. Kit services: most domestic and import rear-wheel drive vehicles. Remove and install pressed-in ball joints found on most vehicles. Remove and install special threaded upper ball joints found on many Chrysler vehicles. Allows changing the ball joint without removing the control arm from the vehicle. Tools can also be used to remove and install U-joints. Kit includes step-by-step usage instructions. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.